Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the referral code and any expiry. Copy or screenshot it so you won't mistype. Open Google Pay and make sure you're on the latest app version, then go to the Profile or Invite area. Once there, tap the field for a referral or promo code and paste what your friend gave you. This is the first actionable step because an exact match triggers the reward flow. Make sure your phone number matches your bank-linked UPI account before moving on. Once the code is pasted, verify each character, capital letters and digits matter. Then follow any stated condition. Often you must complete a qualifying transaction like a first payment, bill, or bank transfer. You should confirm UPI is active. Check your UPI PIN, linked bank account, and app permissions so payments succeed. If a specific minimum amount or merchant type is needed, choose a compliant payment. After a successful qualifying action, the app usually processes. You finish by checking the rewards section or your transaction history to confirm the credit. Sometimes it appears as cashback, voucher, or promo. If you don't see it instantly, wait 24 to 48 hours because processing can be delayed. Make sure the qualifying conditions were exactly met, amount, merchant type, or new user status, and double-check the code matched. If the reward still isn't applied, open in-app support, attach screenshots of the code, transaction, and referral screen, and request manual review to resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.